Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Cisco access point model and whether it needs PoE or a 12V adapter. This matters because power method affects placement and cabling. Once done, make sure you have the latest firmware downloaded to your laptop and decide if you'll use DHCP or assign a reserved IP. Why? Consistent management access. Finally, plug power, connect Ethernet to your switch or injector, and wait for the AP LED to reach steady boot state before proceeding. You'll now reach the AP using the default IP, console, or Cisco Discovery software. Log in as admin and immediately change the default password because defaults are insecure. Next, create your primary SSID and pick WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Choose WPA3 if all clients support it for stronger security. Then, configure VLAN tagging for guest versus private networks and set channel and transmit power based on distance and interference. This reduces overlaps and improves throughput in the home environment. You finish by saving the running configuration and creating a backup. This ensures you can restore quickly if something breaks. Then perform a quick site survey and connect several devices to verify band steering, roaming, and throughput. Test at close range and at the far edges of coverage. If things fail, check power, PoE, or adapter, confirm no IP conflicts, and view the AP console logs for errors. These steps find the usual culprits and get you back online fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.